Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for tuning in. Today we're going to switch things up a bit and we are going to talk about a charcuterie board. But instead of it being an actual board, we're going to call this a charcuterie box. Yes, you heard that right. First thing you'll need is this pie box that I purchased from Amazon. This 9-inch pie box for $15. You get 12 of them. And you can layer your box before you get started with some paper to add a little color or decoration. This is optional, you do not have to do this. A full description of all the items that I use in this personalized box is below in the description. But you can also just follow along with me. I'm using some olives. This little container that is holding the olives I purchased at Dollar Tree. I have some breadsticks. I have some green grapes, red grapes, some strawberries, cucumbers. I have an assortment of different crackers. Most of the crackers I purchased at the Dollar Tree. I also have some peanuts, an assortment of different cheeses. I believe I used 4 different cheeses. I have some figs, some peanuts, carrots, some pretzels. The majority of these items I did purchase at one store, Walmart, and then a lot of things I purchased at the Dollar Tree. Charcuterie boards can be a little bit expensive, so just word of advice, before you go to the store, make sure you write down the full list of things that you want to purchase. That way you can help you stay on budget. I would highly encourage you to do that, and then just try to get all your items at one store. And just, you can use whatever you want for this because this is your charcuterie box. Product. Your guests will love this. It's very personalized, made with love and some TLC, tender love and care. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments, but I hope that this inspires you to entertain with some creativity in this pandemic world that we're living in. We have to be safe and cautious, but it still doesn't take the entertaining out of celebrating.